Good morning, guys. New lake today, Washington County State Fishing Lake. Never been here. The reports are good from the Kansas Department Wildlife, but you never know what that means exactly. So we'll see what we find today. There we go. Now we got a bite, guys. He's heavy. Jeez. Maybe he's worth something. He's not gonna help us, guys, but he's a nice fish. Really? Swim jig. That's a fat, healthy fish. There we go. Are you serious? You don't have my other one? Dang you. I was hoping you'd have my other popper that broke off. Ouch. Jeez. Guys, that fish is only like 16 1/4, but she is so thick. I mean, can you see that? Wow, a healthy fish. I was really hoping she'd have my popper that I lost to the fish before. I think the fish before this one that struck and took the popper was bigger than this one. Thanks, sweetheart. Oh, yeah. Oh. There's a good one. Well, he's a nice fish. He's just a hair over 17 though, guys. Not that long. Gosh, it's a healthy fish. There she goes. Wow. That was a good strike, huh? Another beautiful, healthy fish, guys. Gosh, not a mark on him. Whew, man. Oh yeah, he's still there. No. Let's see here. Geez, that's another good one. I mean, I don't know if good ones. Oh, man, it's heavy. These fish are heavy. Whew. Well, he's 17 and a half, guys. He's a little bit longer than the other ones, but man, he's still healthy. It's heavy fish. Another heavy fish. Hey guys, I want to say a little bit about the bait I'm throwing today that I'm having the most success on so far. This is a big head wobbler from C&C Custom Baits. Clayton Westgate makes these baits, a good friend of mine. And if any of you know me, I never had that much luck with a bladed jig. This is the only one so far, at least. Now I vowed to learn how to use these baits, and get better with it. But this is the only one so far that I've had a lot of good luck on. Is his big head wobblers. I have that paired up with it's a V&M J-Bug, I think. Jacob Porosnik, I think, designed that. I don't know if he's with them anymore, but anyway, it's been working in this kind of brownish water here today. Get yourself some. Another nice pretty fish. Big head wobbler, code blue. There we go. Little smallest guy of the day.